Hello gang, hello gang, hello friend. Oh, I'm doing a live voiceover and I just have the giggles. Control yourself, woman. Hey gang, hey friends, hey gang friends. There we go, got it. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope this video finds you well. If you are new, then hello, hey, hi, how are you? You okay? How are you doing? My name's Jo and I do nail stuff. She does stuff, nail stuff. Stuff she does and nail stuff with nail stuff and stuff for nails. Speaking of stuff for nails, I was sent some stuff by Popsocket. So I was sent this for free, although I did add to my order because I wanted more. And you can use code BBJO21, nearly forgot, BBJO21 for a discount at Popsockets that expires on the 2nd of February. So the 2nd of the 2nd. So get it before that. Get stuff before that. So I sent this stuff, lots of it, woo, because they are now doing pop nails! Pop nails. Oh, there's my face. Let's get that out of shot. That wasn't a good angle for anybody. So obviously I do nail stuff with nail stuff. So we had to try them. So I will show you what we've got. And they pair up with a matching pop grip. Let's see if we can match them up. Yes, I saw this and thought, if anyone was meant to try this, it's me. More there. And these. So let's go through them. What you can do is you can go on the website and you can pick the nails you like, and then they come with a choice of a few different pop grips that you can get with it as a set. And I think it's cheaper than buying them separately if you get them as a set, I think. So these ones with, what are these called? They do have names. They do on the website. Lunas, oh no, that's the name of the pop socket, the pop grip. I don't know. They do have names. Moons, probably. So this one, I love. It's like having airbrush nails. Are they in focus? And I think that is the one I got to go with that. Little ow, wolf. That's what wolf sounds like, don't you know? We have these rainbow hollows, pink, which went with this. As I say, you can pick a few different ones to go with it. And we have these, which are kind of like a set of nails I did a while ago. Do you remember? I'll try and put pictures of them on the screen that will be better than maybe what the camera's picking up. So instead of getting the pop socket that matches that perfectly, they do have one with that pattern on. Because I'd got one similar, I got this one. You know I love anything with moons and stars and suns and planets and space and astronauts and rockets. So these are right up my street. These ones, which are awesome, because no matter how good you are at chroming nails, like gel nails or something, you're never going to get this manufactured shine. And this gorgeous pop socket that goes with it, pop grip, must get that right. Is that in focus? Even if it's not, it still looks fab. And we got these nebulas. I'm really sticking to a genre here. And what went with that? I think that... Oh, this! The moon! Got the whole f***ing moon! Which will look awesome, because your nails are the space. There's the moon! So I'm loving that. And stars, obviously. And a matching pop grip with that. But yeah, it gives you other options that will go with it. And these, some glitter ones, which have got some ombres. I think, yeah, there's a couple of vertical ombre glitters in there. And a glittery pop socket. This is raw glitter. You can feel it. It's raw. Well, you can't. I can. But you in general can feel it. So we're going to try them out. And then I've got more stuff to show you. Some new stuff from Diamond Glitters. Which of these shall I try? Comment down below. Even though I'm about to pick one, it will affect the outcome if you comment which ones I should try. I think I'm going to try... Should we do the glitter ones? Stars. Who am I kidding? Stars? Yeah, of course. So we'll see what this is all about. Okay, let's zoom in for you. Here we go. One tried to get away. They're so cool. Right, let's leave those on there and try and pick sizes from way up here. So big fat one for my thumb. They're literally the perfect length for me. So that will probably be thumb. And I think it comes with, I'm sure I saw, yes, it comes with some instructions because I know nothing. Right, let's see what it says to do. Use the included cuticle stitch to protect the cuticles. Find the right nail size for you. Press it between sizes. Go with the small option. Okay. Peel off the adhesive. Also, there's sticky ones. You don't do them. I suppose you could do them. You know, it's not. Line nail with your finger, press down. Blah, blah. Use the file to shape and shorten to your taste. Probably won't need any shorter. Removal. Use the hot press and remove it. Soften the edges of each nail for removing. And then in different languages. Okay. Pretty straightforward, standard procedure. So I do have nails on. Gel polish. Look, I did my nails. They were such a mess, weren't they? This one's really short. I'm thinking of growing them. What do you think? Let me know if you think, oh, I missed a corner. If you think I should grow them or keep them short. That's a bit of hot chocolate on there. This is today's thumb with hot chocolate added. So I think I'm just going to try and stick these straight over the top. Am I going to mess up my nails? Oh, well. So peel off. I'm not doing the prep that they've said because I only did my nails yesterday, so. And press. Oh my god, I love it! Oh, yes! Oh, hello. I think that looks really good, doesn't it? Is it just me? Give it a little shine. I think it does. Right, let's put some more on. I think these would obviously look better if I was doing it on my natural nails because it wouldn't have the bulk of the gel polish underneath. There's nothing stopping you from using them again with, you can buy these tabs, can't you? Or with nail glue. Too big maybe, or just right, I don't know. Says go a size smaller. Oh, I think they might be right with doing that. Just right. Hello. Now, bearing in mind I do have gel polish on under here, I think they look alright, don't they? What do you think? Let me know, I want to know what you think. Very me. Look at me with nail art. Someone said I should do nail art myself. Boom. Done in a minute. Don't forget to use code, oh, my memory. BBJoe21. It expires the 2nd of February. Oh, I love this. Oh, yes, wait, no. Silly me. Let's see what this looks like with the dealio. Yeah. Okay, let's pretend this is my phone. Oh, hello. Oh, they match. Oh, no. Oh, what a coincidence. Wow, it's planned all along. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I want my nails to match my Popsocket all the time. Okay. Loving that. So, there you go. If you want nails that match your Popsocket perfectly, then go to Popsockets and do Popsocket nails. Right, what's next? Let's carefully move these things out the way and show you the other goodies that I have to show you. Just taking a bit of sandwich bag and I'm popping them on there and then pushing the sandwich bag into the back. So then I could use these again. I wanted to see if they were reusable, and the answer is yes. That code will work on whatever you buy from the website. And now I have more goodies to show you from diamondglitters.co.uk. Some colours. These are some of their newest colours, but they oh look, I've got this one on. This is purple velvet. Oh, isn't it gorgeous? I just hadn't got them yet, so I'm going to show you through these. This one, Sparkling Emerald. Oh, it's good. And then I think I'll swatch these. This one's awesome, Chocolate Frosting. It's like a really hollow brown. Hello there. Focus. Oh, focus, you. Ooh. I will swatch. And this is the Purple Velvet that I've got on. And I think I'm going to need to do another video, aren't I? Because this is more of a show and tell as opposed to a sort of normal, one of my normal videos. This is poinsettia, however you say it. This one is going on me very soon. I almost did it instead of the purple, but I thought, no, Joseph, go outside your nail comfort zone. Honey gold. An opaque gold. That's the dream. And base coat. New polishes. So I ordered some butterflies, and Queen Danielle of Diamond Glitters sent me some more. Look at these little frames. I'm going to do something with these. Don't know what yet. Something. And some butterflies. I think I ordered like 2 or 3 sheets of butterflies. Pretty sure she sent me some more. Pinky ones. Purpley ones. Oh, hello. Should I? Oh, some sunsetty ones. More pink ones. Oh my god, there's loads. Look at them. Flowers, butterflies. We damn well better be doing people's nails come butterfly season in England. But I'll show you stuff with them anyway, even if we're not. Oh, they're so pretty. More butterflies. More butterflies. More butterflies. More butterflies. Oh my goodness, there's so many and they're all so cute. Oh. I'd go for all the dark ones. Is that a freaking... Look! That's a butterfly with space nebulas inside its wing. Blue ones, rainbow ones. Wowza. They're so cool. Right, let's put them back in the little butterfly house. What a butterfly house is called? I'm sure there's a word for it. You know, like... birds are in an aviary, I think. Oh, and a foil that I wanted for a video I might do for Valentine's. Look, it's got writing on. Can you see? And I needed some more jet black crystals. And I think they were possibly in the last chance to buy. I'm not sure. Maybe not. So I'm going to swatch the new colours. Let's swatch. Voice over me now. Hey, how are you? You okay? Good. This is sparkling emerald. There's a sparkling sapphire as well. And this one is purple velvet. I'm doing the second coat just so you can see the full what it looks like once it's swatched, and then I will top them with diamond gloss. Diamond gloss, of course. This is chocolate frosting. And this one, so you know in some of my videos, or quite a few of them, I've used luxury gold pigment, which is not sourceable anymore. They can't, like Diamond Glitters don't sell it anymore. And I always use it, even though I probably shouldn't because I don't know where to tell you to get it from. But that honey gold is exactly it in polished form. So, yay! So, yeah, get it. And then what do we have? Poinsettia and red glass, and this is brown glass. I'm really tempted to do some tortoiseshell nails on myself, but then, I just can't be bothered to do nail art on myself. I'd rather do, film a video. I have more control that way.
So I'm now going to label them with my don't die Dymo Lectra tag. If you Google that, if you're interested, there'll be loads of results on there. So I'm just popping all the names in, and then I will...
Oh no. It's died.
Aw, his battery died. I don't know why I was humming away in a manger.
Oh. Are you kidding me?
Oh yes, and then the tape ran out. It was not my destiny to label these today, but I did it anyway. I don't use the Dymo. This isn't a tutorial. You might have guessed by now, 15 minutes in. Just hanging out with you guys, if that's all right. Just playing with my new stuff. Yes, I don't use the official Dymo tape because it's a lot more expensive than just getting one that is compatible with it. And obviously go through quite a bit of tape at a time. And when no time to tell you about what I was labeling in the house the other day. Here are all the new colours from Gel Perfection. You can use code TEAMDG for a discount there. Yeah, that's about it. I hope you've enjoyed just hanging out with me for a bit. There will be another video soon, an anti-Valentine one at some point as well that I know people have asked for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.